Hey, good afternoon everyone. I uploaded my first cotton picking video a couple days ago. So today we're going to spend a little bit more time looking at the actual cotton picker and how it works. You can see this picker here, it's a John Deere. And it's picking 6 rows at a time as it comes towards us. You can see it's moved from daylight to it's almost dark. The machine's starting to stop up a little bit because of the moisture in the air. So this number 6 head that's stopping up. So we've opened the covers on it. Looking at a few things. Here, you see just the vertical plates, and you can see the spindles or the fingers back there. And that's what pulls the cotton boll off of the stem or the stalk. You can see this drum right here. There's actually 2 drums per head. You can see they rotate. The drums rotate, and then the spindles also rotate. So that's how it just pulls that bowl off again. And what we're doing here is looking for spindles that are loose or missing. So we just manually rotate that drum with well, it's electric rotate, but we just mash a button to get it to spin. Taking the finger there, just seeing which ones are loose. Got a couple missing off of that drum to the left there. See a spindle missing right there where he stuck his fingers. And we'll have a couple that are loose. Each head has 2 drums, and I spoke about the spindles or the fingers. Depending on the type, it can have either 432 spindles or 560, depending on which head we got on it, and I don't know which one this has, so it's either got 432 spindles or 560. The cotton goes from there. It's vacuumed up these tubes here. You can see 3 tubes on each side of the cab, so this is 4, 5, and 6. Then it goes up to the basket. So that's all we have for today. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up button. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. If you're a new viewer, I'd ask that you please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified of all future videos. So again, that's all we have. So just like to say goodbye and God bless, and y'all take care and see you next time.